Why settle for ordinary when you can turn every moment into a giving opportunity? Make the smart choice with the Donorbox Live Kiosk app. Convenient cashless giving anywhere, anytime. Let me show you how easy it is to set up and create an on-location giving experience that boosts in-person donations wherever your mission takes you. To get started, all you'll need is an iPad or Android tablet, a Stripe card reader device, the M2 in the US or the Wise Pad 3 in other countries, a stable internet connection, and active Donorbox and Stripe accounts. Yes, it really is that easy. Save time and money using devices you already own, or if you need equipment, Donorbox has you covered. Get everything you need: tablet, card reader, and suite of stand solutions tailored to your needs delivered in one package with just one click. Before setting up the app, think about where you'll place your kiosk. Choose a high traffic area to maximize visibility and drive engagement. Whether it's in your church lobby, at a museum exhibit, at a gala event, or during community outings, the goal is to make donating as effortless as possible. To activate Donorbox Live Kiosk, log into your Donorbox account and ensure your Stripe account is connected. From your dashboard, go to the Fundraise tab and select In-Person Campaigns. To create a new campaign, click on New Campaign, name your campaign, set donation tiers with suggested amounts, and select your currency. If it supports your fundraising strategy, set donation limits to ensure meaningful contributions with controlled minimum and maximum amounts. Plus, eligible UK nonprofits can now unlock extra funds, boosting gifts by 25% with gift aid. Click to enable and offer qualifying donors a seamless, fast value-add experience. Next up, personalize your kiosk to connect donors with your cause, starting with the first thing donors engage with, your welcome screen. Under the Content tab, you can use the default message or customize messaging to highlight and share your mission goals. A clear call to action showing the impact of each donation is a powerful donation trigger. Next, select your default language from one of the many available. Inclusive, localized fundraising has never been more accessible. Donors can switch between them with just a tap when giving, unless you've customized your messaging to a specific language. Before moving on to the next step, save your changes. Adding your brand's flair is simple. Click the Design tab to upload your logo and match the screen colors to your nonprofit's branding. The Preview feature lets you see what donors experience before going live. But first, let's dive into some donation-driving features that add value to your fundraising efforts. Timely donation receipts are a retention game changer. In the User Receipts tab, you can fully customize your donor receipts. Add text, images, and variables to match your branding and tone. Personalized receipts make donors feel valued and appreciated, reinforcing their support. QR codes are another engagement catalyzing feature. By adding a QR code to your kiosk screen, donors can scan and donate later, sign up for newsletters, or watch a video about your impact, extending your live kiosk reach far beyond its physical location. With donation designations, donors direct their gift to what matters most to them. To empower donor choice, enable designations, create a designation label, set to mandatory or leave as optional, and input your campaign or program designation list. Perfect for multi-program organizations, this feature helps you organize funds efficiently and transparently across campaigns. Donor information allows you to decide whether to collect names and phone numbers. Simply enable either or both for deeper personalized engagement. If you choose not to enable donor information, your donor will go straight to checkout with the opportunity to provide their details later if needed. You can further strengthen that connection by offering a mailing list opt-in during donations. Simply enable the feature to grow your email and newsletter reach. Once everything is set, customizations, receipts, and QR code, click Save Changes and then download the Live Kiosk app from your tablet's app store. Log into the Donorbox Live Kiosk app from your tablet using your Donorbox account. Select your live campaign, review your settings, make any final edits, and save your changes. Once you're ready, click refresh and turn on your card reader, keeping it close to your tablet. Switch on your card reader. There's a power button on the left side of the card reader. The green lights will appear at the bottom of the device and you'll hear this. On your tablet, make sure your Bluetooth and location are switched on. You can now connect or pair the card reader with your tablet. The tablet will ask permission to grant the Donorbox Live app access to your tablet's Bluetooth and location. Grant these permissions when prompted, and the card reader device name should now appear on your Donorbox Live app. If not, they're probably missing permissions. In this case, go to your device's settings, find app permissions for Donorbox Live, and enable them. Once you've granted all the necessary permissions, the card reader will appear on the right-hand side of your screen. Tap on the card reader in the device list and your donor view will pop up and you're ready to accept donations. From cashless giving to customization, every Donorbox Live Kiosk feature works together to make supporting your cause as easy as it should be. Anywhere, anytime.